Okay, so number 5. Mr. Ayers recently gave a 20-point quiz to 6 of his students. Below, you will see the scores for those students. So we have 20 points, 7 points, 20, 19, 3, and 6. So we're going to put them in order from least to greatest. Okay, so we're going to start with 3. And then we have 6 and 7 and 19. And then we have 20 and 20 over here. All right, so we're going to add these up. So 3 plus 6 plus 7 plus 19 plus 20 plus 20 is 75. Now we're going to divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 75 divided by 6 is 12 and a half. So our mean is 12 and a half. Our mode, the number that occurs, no, I skipped over median. Median, so we're looking for the number in the middle. And so we will mark off highs and lows. Then we have 2 numbers in the middle. So since we have 2 numbers, we're going to add those 2 numbers together and divide by 2. So 7 plus 19 and divide by 2, we get 13. So 13 would be the middle of 7 and 19. The very middle number between 7 and 19. The mode, the number that occurs most often, you can see we have 2 20s here. So 20 would be our mode. And the range is going to be 20, our largest number, minus our smallest number of 3, which is going to give us 17. All right, and last one. Again, be sure to stop the video, maybe give this a try. If you haven't stopped it so far, try one on your own and then come back to the video. Randall Jones seems to miss a few days of school every year because of some weird illness. Below, you will find how many days Randall has missed each year in elementary school. So we have all of our days here. And we're going to put them in order from least to greatest. Okay, so we have 2 and 3, 4, 5, let's see, 12, and 22. Okay, so add them up. 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 12 plus 22 equals 48. Divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 values is 8. So our mean is 8. Our median, our middle number, we find by marking off our high value and low values. And so in this case, we have 2 numbers in the middle. Okay, so we know we can add them up. 4 plus 5 is 9, and then we would divide by 2 numbers, and that's going to give us 4.5. Now, another way is just to look at it and think, what is in the middle of 4 and 5? And so the middle of 4 and 5 would be 4.5. Mode, the number that occurs the most often. As you can see, there's not a number on here that occurs more than one time. They're all in here just once. And so we have none or no mode. And then the range is our largest number of 22 minus our smallest number of 2, which will give us 20.